Good afternoon. Author Julian Michael once wrote, think of it this way, if you got a flat tire, what would you do? Would you change the tire or get out and slash the other 3 tires? No, get back on the road, don't dwell on it. That gets you nowhere. The purpose of this speech is how to change a tire. The preview of this 3-step tire change is how to prepare the tire change, how to remove the tire, and how to reinstall the tire. Step 1. Prepare for the tire change. First step in this process is to find a safe location. Harder ground is better to change than all on the side of the shoulder, because it won't sink. The jack will sink down and then you'll be sitting on the frame. Step 2 would be turn on your hazards to let others know you have a hazard and to make sure you're doing it safely. Step 3 in this process is to apply the park brake. Doing this will allow the vehicle not to roll when you jack it up. Step 4 is prepare for the tire change. Step number 2 in the process is remove the tire. You'll need your lug nut wrench and your bottle jack out of your car to remove the tire. This is your lug nut wrench, bottle jack. Next step is to break the lug nuts. Then the next step is to jack the vehicle up. For demonstration purposes, I have a floor jack because it's a lot faster. Next step would be to finish removing the lug nuts. For the demonstration purposes, to speed things up, I'm just going to run them off using the impact. Next step would be to remove the tire and roll it out of your way. Step number 3 would be to reinstall the new tire, the spare tire. Jack the vehicle up some more to allow clearance from the ground for the new tire. Next step would be to reinstall the lug nuts. Hand tight. once you get the lug nuts hand tight, now you can lower your vehicle. But don't put all the weight on the tire, just lower it enough where the tire is touching the ground. Now you can tighten the lug nuts up using your lug nut wrench. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use the impact. And tighten them in a crisscross pattern. Once you get to here, now you can put your lug nut cover back on. Your wheel, or your lug nut cover, yeah. Now you can finish lowering the vehicle. Now you know how to change a flat tire. The purpose of this is how to prepare the tire change, remove the flat tire, and reinstall the new tire. Finally, always remember that American scientist J. L. Scalati once said, "The reason we have cancer and heart disease is the same reason you can't get rid of wear and tear on your tires. As soon as you use them, they wear them away. You can't make internal tires the same way as with the human body." Thank you.